All right, let's test this front brake switch, hydraulic brake switch. It's really simple. It's just a diaphragm, a rubber diaphragm inside. And the oil pressure moves it and makes a contact. Right now we've got no continuity. If I take this and put it in here gently, it's a broken Q-tip. Put it in here gently, watch the needle, and there you go. That says the switch is good. Now let's take, just for grins, remember that this is off the front. We're going to use it again. This one came off the rear. And look what happened. Let's see if it tests. Look what happens. I put this on here. Put this on here. Instant continuity. This one is jammed closed, which means the brake light would be on constantly. This has absolutely nothing to do with it. It's just frozen closed. This is a bad switch. So the one that came off the back of the bike is junk. This one can be reused on the front of the bike. So just a quick way to check a brake switch.